So let's talk about mental health and how I approach mental health issues myself. Once I get up every day, and every person I meet, I always try to say hello. And I notice sometimes people don't extend greetings to one another. So let's talk. Let's talk to each other by just saying a nice greeting. And then if people need to talk more deeply about depression or any aspect of mental health, come and talk to us. There is help out there. And so many people are anxious to assist. So my message about mental health is, let's talk.